Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at the Litecoin. Now, starting with the daily time frame, what we have noticed is that price has been moving in two-phase moves in the past 4 years basically. So expansion, distribution, expansion, distribution, expansion, distribution. Usually the distribution and accumulation areas, so this can be considered the accumulation area, are in the bullish and bearish cycles defined differently. But here we can see expansion, sell-off, expansion, sell-off. And now as we had this strong steep downside movement, the next most logical movement for us would be a long position with a potential of having, like, I think it was 120% of market price movement. Trying to find this. Oh my god, been using those charts for like years already. Can't. Okay, I think I'm blind. Yeah, so let's take a quick look. Stop loss would be somewhere in this region, like 4-ish area, 28% of market price movement. First target would be this area, so 57. Then this $100 area, and actually the last target would be somewhere here, like $125 zone. So on the monthly time frame, bigger time frame, we are at the major support area, which is this area here, that has been holding the price for the last 4 years. And as price has been reaching this end phase of this sell side movement, as we are touching finally again this area, most logical, we should see at least some kind of bullish momentum here. Now, going to check on the 4-hour time frame as well. Let's remove everything, zoom out quickly. Let me take like 1 minute. So we had a really strong breakdown moves here. So we had the break of structure here, you see the break of structure. We had another break of structure here, so strong breakdown of structure, then another one, and another one, going to still mark those break of structure zones. So this is the break of structure, this is the confirmation break of structure, so confirmational, and then this one as well, the last one so far. So what's the game plan here is, first of all, we are seeing some kind of accumulation area forming on the smaller time frames, the smaller time frames being the 4-hour time frame as of now. And what's more interesting is what's the game plan is after we are exiting this area. So we are going to take a 3-step entry here, which means going to look for, let me first of all draw this thing here, zooming in, and let's start to explain. So first of all, we need to wait for price to break out from this area. As soon as we break, this would be the first entry for us, so this one here. Then who knows how high will we drive, but at one point we should see some kind of retest. Now this would be the secondary entry for us, so this area here, and final entry would be this area here, which would be the break of structure area. So 3-step entry for us, and this setup will activate only and only if we see a breakout from here. So this momentum here was actually a breakout, would have taken it, most probably would have resulted in a stop loss trade, but it's worth the risk. If we see the breakout, then we are going to enter into a long position. Meanwhile, what we can do is just trade within the range. Once price falls to this area, we go long to this area. If we see some kind of struggle like here or here, we can take a short position, and the risk reward ratio is like 1 to 5 in both 1 to 2 in both ways. So 4% loss, 11% target. If we go enter here, 11%, and stop loss is like 3%. So pretty good trading setups can be taken on the LTC coin. All we have to do is just wait. On the monthly time frame, we're seeing that price has a huge potential to expand itself to like 100-ish zones, and on the smaller time frames we are expecting to see a proper breakout from this area. So anyways, that's it for today. As always, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, feel free to leave a comment, and I will catch you tomorrow.